Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. This one we have dy over dx. Next, I will put dx go to the right, 3y squared minus 1 and y to the power of 3 minus y will go to the left. So we will have about 3y squared minus 1 over y to the power of 3 minus y dy equals to 4x to the power of 3 minus 6x over x to the power of 4 minus 3x squared dx. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. Now I will go to this one. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. So if we do first the derivative, we got du equals to 3y squared minus 1 dy. So this one we change by u. 3y squared minus 1 dy we change by du. The integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of u, and we put about c. About u, that's about this one. Similar the technique for this one. So in this situation, this one you got ln of the absolute value of y to the power of 3 minus 3 minus y, sorry. This one, that's about ln of the absolute value of x to the power of 4 minus 3x squared, and we put about c. This is the end. Thank you for watching.